Whether you've got one leaky roof or are maintaining dozens or hundreds of buildings where there's always something that needs attention, Henry is here. Typically, a roof is out of sight, out of mind, until there's a problem. And for roofs past end of life or with significant water saturation, you're looking at a rip and replace. We're talking torn off, trashed, and rebuilt. These are unfortunate but necessary projects, expensive, disruptive, and wasteful. You're probably looking at 6 weeks of din, dust, debris, and displacement. It doesn't have to be that way. For many roofs, a restoration solution is the permanent, higher performance, less expensive, less disruptive, carbon footprint reducing, fast, clean, simple, safe, smart solution. Your customers and tenants won't even know work is being done. There's no noise, no tear-off, no landfill waste. Not only is it easier on the occupants, it's easier on your budget. And you can continue to recoat the surface for the lifetime of the building, extending the cost savings and preventing the significant expense of a rip and replace, or several. These savings can be applied to improvements like touchless faucets or tenant and employee benefits. That's entirely up to you. Our online calculator will give you a good idea for how roof restoration could lower your overall renovation and energy costs by up to 50 to 75%, as well as reduce waste. The fact is that 1/3 of all landfill waste comes from construction, and every year, 8 million tons of that is commercial roofing. Just one small K-12 school tear-off creates enough waste to fill 10 backyard swimming pools. So whether you help to save the planet or simply save a bunch of money, you come out the hero in this story. Henry is here for you.